Good evening, Swati.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So in the videos, the YouTube videos which I had shared, you would have come across these identities. Let me just write them. A plus B, the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B, the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. And also X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B of X plus AB. So you would have understood how to handle questions based on these four identities. So now let's take up some practice questions. Yes, now let's take up some practice questions based on these identities, which you've learned from the YouTube videos. Okay, so this is the first one. Yes, Swati. So find 2m minus 1 the whole square. So how does it look like? It looks like a minus b the whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the given expression looks like a minus b the whole square. Okay, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Where a is what? A is
2m, ma'am.
2m and b is?
Minus 1, ma'am.
No. Okay. So see, when you compare A is 2m and for this minus you have minus. So b is only 1, right? It's like minus b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, supposing, see, if you're comparing this with a plus b the whole square, supposing you're comparing this with a plus b the whole square, then a is equal to 2m, a is equal to 2m, and then you have plus b is equal to minus 1, plus b is equal to minus 1. In that case, b is equal to minus 1. Is that fine, Swati?
Yes.
So here, yeah, so here we are comparing 2m minus 1 the whole square with a minus b the whole square. So a is 2m, minus b is minus 1. Minus b is equal to minus 1. So b is just 1. B is equal to 1. So b is 1. Let me just erase this. Okay. So b is equal to minus 1. So 2m minus 1 the whole square is equal to, what's the identity has both the question and answer in it. Whenever we use an identity to solve the given question, the identity has two sides, right? The LHS and the RHS. So one side of the identity is the question and the other side of the identity has the answer. An identity has two sides. An identity is an equality. It has two sides, the LHS and RHS. So in this identity, a minus b the whole square is the left hand side and a square minus 2ab plus b square is the right hand side. Clearly, the question looks like a minus b the whole square. The given question looks like, or the given expression looks like a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is the question. Then the answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. The answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you should take help of the identity to answer the given expression. So 2m minus 1 the whole square is equal to, you must write a square. Then you must write minus 2ab minus 2 into a into b. Then you must write plus b square. So plus b square. Now what is A? A is 2m. What is B? B is, oh, it's not -1, sorry. B is not -1, B is 1. Yeah. So what is A? 2m. And what's B? 1. And what is 2AB? 2 into 2m into 1. So this is equal to 2m into 2m is 4m square minus 4m plus 1. So when we square the given expression, 2m minus 1 the whole square, when you square 2m minus 1, the result is 4m square minus 4m plus 1. Please take down, Swati. The next one you have to try.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please try this. X by y minus y. Finish the first one and then try this and tell me the answer.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bhavishya.
Ma'am, is this first sum you did, ma'am?
Yes, darling. This is the first sum, darling.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the first one. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I now only joined, ma'am. I have
Good evening,
internet
Nandana.
issues.
Oh,
Good
good
evening.
evening, Nandana. Yeah, Nandana. So we just finished the first one. So today we are practicing sums based on the YouTube videos which were shared to you last week. Last Monday and Wednesday, I had shared some videos on factorization and algebraic expressions. So we're just practicing sums based on the concepts you have understood in those videos.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we just recollected the identities. Bhavishya, I forgot to say that. So this is what we started with, Bhavishya, today. We wrote out all the identities which we saw in the videos. All these identities. Nandana and Bhavishya can take a screenshot and complete it later.
Yes, ma'am.
Later meaning now, you will have some time. You can just take a screenshot and complete it now.
Screenshot, ma'am.
Yeah. So after that, after recalling the identities, this is the first one. And now the second one you have to try and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, found the answer.
Very good. Yeah. So, can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first you have to write the identity. What's the identity?
A minus B whole square.
A minus B the whole square is equal to A square.
A square minus 2
Minus 2AB plus B square.
Very good. Where? What is A?
Ma'am, X by
X by Y. And what
whole
is
square.
B?
y by
What is
x.
B?
Y by
Y by X. So now what is X by Y minus Y by X the whole square? It is A square. A square. A square minus 2 into A into B plus B square. Correct. Now what should I write in this bracket?
X by y, ma'am.
Ma'am, X by Y
Yeah.
into 2
Here,
into
what should I
X
write
by
here?
Y into
Y
2
by
Y.
x, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. 2 into X by Y by into Y by X.
Y
And
X.
here,
Y X.
Y by x.
Y by X. Correct. Correct. So that is equal to what is X by Y the whole square?
X by y square, ma'am.
No.
X square by Y square.
Correct. X square by Y square. So X
Minus
by Y.
2.
Because what is X by Y the whole square? It is X by Y into X by Y. X by Y the whole square is X by Y into X by Y. X into X is X square. Y into Y is Y square. So X square by Y square. Yeah. Minus.
Ma'am, 2.
Yeah, because
minus 2.
Y, correct. Y cancels, X cancels, so only 2. Minus 2. Correct. Plus Y by
Y
X into
square,
Y by
X square.
Y square by X square. Y square divided by X square. Very good, children. Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, children. This is the third question. I'll just write here. Those who have not finished, take it down. This is the third one. It may use a different identity. Now, yeah, so be careful. I'm just mixing the sums of, all the kinds. Yeah, this is the next one. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's identity, Nandana?
Ma'am, I transpose it, ma'am. I split A square to the A square and A square to the minus B square, ma'am. Minus BC.
Now tell me the identity you use, Nandana.
Ma'am, I use A plus B, A minus B, ma'am.
Correct.
No, ma'am, it is A square minus BC, B square.
Can I tell?
No, when I say identity, tell me the complete thing.
Ma'am, A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square.
Correct, correct. So the identity here is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. See, what we can do is, since the given expression also has A, B, and C, no, you can just write the identity in terms of X and Y using X and Y. So you can write X square. Okay, you should write this first. Write the question first, like write that part first. X plus Y into X minus Y. Because the question looks like this. So write that first is equal to X square minus Y square. See, the identity, you can tell it both the ways. You can say X plus Y into X minus Y is X square minus Y square. Or you can also say X square minus Y square is X plus Y into X minus Y. Anyways, you can say the identity. You can say A square minus 2AB plus B square is A minus B the whole square. Or you can say A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So you can say the identity both the ways. But how do you write? When you write, you look at the question. So that part of the identity which looks like the question, write that first. So the question looks like X plus Y into X minus Y. So I've written that first, X plus Y into X minus Y, because the given expression or the question looks like that, X plus Y into X minus Y. So I write that first is equal to the answer is equal to X square minus Y square. I'll always write it like this. You can write the identity. I told you, you can write it both the ways. So how I write is, I always write the question part first is equal to the answer. So where, and what is the other thing I told you? Since the question already has the, variables A, B, and C, we'll not write A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. We'll not write like that. We'll use some other variable, X, Y, P, Q. So there are so many letters from A to Z. So don't use whatever, variables are used in the expression or in the question. Don't use the same thing in the identity. Try to use different variables. So like in the question, if you have X and Y, use A, B in the identity. If the question has A and B, use X and Y in the identity, like that. So where X is, what is X?
Ma'am, X is A square, ma'am.
And Y is?
Y is BC.
Y is BC. Y is BC. Correct. Now, A square plus BC into A square minus BC is equal to, what's the answer? X square minus Y square is the answer. X square minus Y square is the answer. What is X square?
Ma'am, A square. A square.
X? Yeah, so this is X square. You should write X here. What is X? This one is X.
A square.
And you should write Y here. You must
BC.
square is here. You should write Y. Y is BC. So
Yeah.
what's the answer, children?
A power 4 minus BC square.
Ma'am, A power 4 minus B squared and C squared, ma'am.
B square, C square. Very good. Because BC into BC. BC into BC is B into B, B square. C into C, C square. B square, C square. So A to the power 4 minus B square, C square. Very good, Nandana and Swati. Bhavishya? I hope you also got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, any questions, please ask me.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Can I clear the slide, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So children, you'll ask me, what is this? You're just giving a code. There's something, but what should we do with it? See, it's understood what you'll have to do. You'll have to multiply. If they give you something like 4 into 5 is equal to, what will you do? 4 into 5 is equal to, you will write 20, right? What more question you want? 4. So similarly here, it's understood. It's x, you'll have to multiply because it's x cubed plus 1 by x cubed into x cubed minus 1 by x cubed. So it's enough if this is given. Sometimes they'll say find, but even if this is given, it's understood you'll have to multiply these two. And wherever possible, you should multiply using an identity. Yes, children. Please try and tell me.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Nandana?
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed so fast. Okay.
Ma'am, A plus B, A minus B, ma'am, is equal to A square minus B square, ma'am.
Okay.
A will be x cube and B will be 1 by x cube, ma'am.
Okay.
So we need to substitute A square minus B, sir. So we get x cube whole square. Yeah, ma'am. X cube and 1 by x cube, ma'am. We get as x power 6 minus 1 by 2 by x power 6, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So when there are many multiple powers, you'll have to multiply the powers. 3 into 2, 6. Here, 1 by x cubed into 1 by x cubed. 1 by x cubed into 1 by x cubed. Because 1 by x cubed, the whole square. So 1 by x cubed into 1 by x cubed. 1 into 1 is 1. X cubed into x cubed. How do you multiply? You should add the powers. 3 plus 3, 6, not 9. When you multiply, when bases are same and it's multiplication, we add the powers. So 3 plus 3, 6. Good. Next question, Bhavishya must answer.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Done.
Very good. Any questions, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Now this is for Bhavishya. The next one will be for Swati. This is for Bhavishya. I think it's question number 5. Yeah. Yes, children, please do this. Nandana and Swati, even if you finish, please wait. Bhavishya will answer this one.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, the second one, no, ma'am, that 4x square. The second thing, no, we have +1 and +1, no, ma'am.
Correct.
That formula is x plus a plus bracket x plus b, no, ma'am.
No. No.
Okay.
A similar question was explained in the videos. So maybe you can use your classwork. You've worked everything, right? So you can refer and get the idea from there. Yeah, children, done?
I'm last step.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, Bhavishya, very good. Yes, I want the answer from you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 2x square minus 1 square and 16x power 4 whole power square, ma'am, plus 1 square 1 whole power square.
No. Tell me step by step. Tell me step by step. Let me write the given expression again. So let's start by writing what is given to us. So this is what is given. So we understand this is called a continued product. The heading can also be find the continued product. The heading can also make a note of it. Find the continued product. The heading can also be that find the continued product or simplify. There is only one way of solving this. Whatever be the heading, there's only one thing you can do with this. The heading can also be find the continued product or simplify. Yes, Bhavishya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out what you've written in your book. I don't, meaning explanation is not required. Just read out what you've written.
Yes, ma'am. 2x minus 1 to x plus 1 is equal to 2x square minus 1 square, ma'am.
Okay. So see, you must not say 2x square minus 1 square. So this is like a plus b into a minus b. So you're first finding the product of 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. You're first finding the product of 2x. See, it's like 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, something like this. So what you're doing first you're doing 2 into 3. So 6. Then you will write 4 and 5 as it is. Children, something like this, all of you listen. So first, see, it's like you'll have to find 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. So first we do 2 into 3, 6. Then we write 4 and 5 as it is. Then next we do 6 into 4, 24. And then we write that 5 as it is. And finally we multiply 24 and 5, which gives us 120. So like this. So here Bhavishya is finding the product of 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 first. So this is like a plus b into a minus b. So the product is a square minus b square. 2x plus 1, a plus b. 2x minus 1, a minus b. So the product is the answer is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So what should I write here, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, 2x square.
What should I write in the bracket? 2x square. Huh?
No, ma'am, 2x, ma'am.
Okay, in this bracket?
1, ma'am.
1, very good. Now, what did we do here? 2 into 3, we wrote 6 and we wrote 4 and 5 as it is. So what should I write here?
Ma'am, 4.
What should I write
4.
here?
4x square plus 1 as it is, ma'am.
As it is, yeah, use that word as it is. And 16 next to the power
16x
4 plus 1 as it is. Very good. Now, what is the simplification here?
Ma'am, 2x square, 2x whole power square is 2 square x square, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 square x square. What's the answer? What is 2 square x square? What is 2x into 2x?
4x, ma'am.
What is 2x? What is 2x into 2x? 2 into 2 is 4. What is x into x?
X square, ma'am.
So what is the product? 4
X square, ma'am.
4x square. Then minus
1, ma'am.
1. Okay, 4x square minus 1. Then write the others as it is. Write the others as it is. Now what will you do, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, 4x square and 4x square. Ma'am, we should multiply 4x square minus 1 and 4x square plus 1, ma'am.
Very good. You should multiply these two now. How do they look like for you?
Ma'am, it is a minus b, a plus b, ma'am.
Into a. It's like they look like a minus b into a plus b. So what's the answer?
Ma'am, 16x power 4.
No. What is the answer? Like in terms of a and b, what's the answer?
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square. So what should I write in the bracket?
4x square, ma'am.
Yeah, and in this bracket?
1, ma'am.
Very good. That's all. See, then
16x power 4 plus 1 as it is, we should write.
as it is. Very good. 16 x to the power 4 plus 1 as it is. Now next.
Ma'am, 4x square whole power square is 16x power 4, ma'am.
Very good. 4x square into 4x square. 4 4s are 16. X square into x square is x power 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Very good. Minus?
Minus 1, ma'am.
Yeah, in a bracket and write this as it is. Finally, what, Bhavishya? What's the product? How does this look like for you?
Ma'am, it is a minus b, a plus b, ma'am.
Yeah, so it is, the answer is a square minus b square. What should I write in the bracket?
16x power 2, ma'am.
4.
And 1, ma'am.
I'll write the answer here is equal to, you write it in the next step. I don't have place, so I'll write it here. So 16 16s are 256. Bhavishya, tell me carefully and correctly, what is x power 4 into x power 4?
Ma'am, x power 16.
See, how x power 16, ma?
X power 8, ma'am.
X power 4 into x power 4. Bases are same. And it's multiplication. Add the powers. X power 8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
16 into 16 is 256. X power 4 into x power 4. Bases are same. It's multiplication. Add the powers. 4 plus 4, 8. X power 8. Then minus
1.
1. Thank you, Bhavishya. Very good. Swati and Nandana, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, got the correct answer.
Very good, very good. If you've already finished, please check the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can we go to the next one?
No, ma'am, 1 second.
All right.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, now the heading is factorize. Factorize. The first one under this, factorize a to the power 4b minus 3a square b square minus 6a cubed, ab cubed. So children, to factorize, we have some rules. So to factorize, you can use the same identity or the same identities. In fact, we have learned a set of identities, right? So you can use those identities to factorize. Otherwise, if you cannot use identities, I'll tell you what else you can do. I'll share the different ideas with you. Now, the golden rule in factorization is to take out the common factor. If the given expression, now we have an expression to be factorized. If the given expression has a common factor, if that is, if all the terms, now this expression has 3 terms. If all the 3 terms in this expression has something common, you should bring out that common factor. That is the first thing you have to do while factorizing the given expression. Okay, so here the given expression has 3 terms. Now, do all the 3 terms have something in common? Let's check. Now, this first term has a power 4b. The second one has ab. The third one also has ab. But the second and third has 3 and 6. But the first one, the numerical coefficient is 1. So it's like this. A power 4b, 3a square b square, 6ab cubed. Okay. Now, this is like 1. What is the HCF of 1, 3, and 6? The HCF of 1, 3, and 6, it's 1. The common factor, the highest common factor of 1, 3, and 6 is 1. The HCF of a to the power 4, a square, and a. HCF is always the least power. LCM is the highest power. LCM will be the highest power. HCF is the least power. Now this is a power 4, a square, and a. So this is power 4, power 2, power 1. So the least power is 1. So that will be the HCF of a to the power 4, a square, and a.
Ma'am, 1ab.
Yeah, finally we have b square, and b cubed. B to the power 1, b to the power 2, and b to the power 3. So the least power is b, that is b to the power 1. So 1ab, or simply ab is the common factor. The HCF of these 3 terms is ab. So how do you find the HCF of so this expression has 3 terms. How do we find the HCF of these 3 terms? So write out the 3 terms separated by a comma like this. First take the numerical coefficients. First take the numerical coefficients 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 6. The HCF is 1. Then a power 4, a square, and a. Least power, a. Then b square, and b cube. Least power is b. So 1ab, or ab is common. So ab is common, the solution. Then ab into what will give you a to the power 4b? A into a cubed is a power 4. And there is already b outside. There's already b outside, so you don't have to write anything. Minus, you need to get 3a square b square. So you need to write 3. There is a there. So a into a is a square. And outside there's a b. So b into b is b square. Minus, you have to write 6. There is a already outside and there is b. So don't write anything. You don't have to write a. There's b outside. So b into b square is b cubed. B into b square is b cubed. That's all. You cannot do anything beyond this. You cannot factorize this any further. So here, yeah, Bhavishya.
I'm Swati, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't understand how AB came here.
AB, this one, no? This common factor, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Let me write it again. So this is the given expression to be factorized. Now this one has 3 terms. The given expression has 3 terms. The 3 terms are a to the power 4b, 3a square b square, and 6ab cubed, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now consider the numerical coefficients of all these 3 terms. The numerical coefficient of the first term is 1. Second term is 3. The third term is 6. To factorize,
Yes,
we're
ma'am.
trying to take out the HCF of all this, to factorize, we're trying to take out the HCF of all these three terms. So what is the HCF of 1, 3, and 6? What is the HCF of 1, 3, and 6?
1, ma'am.
1. Next, what's the HCF of a to the power 4, a square, and a? So whenever it is HCF, the least power, see, a is the variable. The least power of the variable is 1. That is a to the power 1. So that will be the HCF. The HCF of a to the power 4, a square, and a is a. The LCM of a to the power 4, a square, and a is a to the power 4. This is the HCF. The least power is the HCF. The highest power is the LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
For a to the power 4, a square, and a to the power 4, the highest power of a to the power 4, that will be the LCM. The HCF is the one with the least power. So a. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, yeah, then b square and b cubed. b square and b cubed. The HCF is b. The LCM is b cubed. But we are finding the HCF. So it is b. So 1AB or AB is the HCF. AB is the HCF of these three terms. AB is the HCF of these three terms. Take out the HCF. Now in the bracket, AB into what will give you a to the power 4b. AB into a cubed, because a cubed into a will give you a to the power 4 and b is here. AB into a cubed will give you this term. AB into this will give you the second term. AB into this will give you the third term.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just write this neatly again. So factorize. The heading is factorize. First one, we have three terms. I'm doing the same thing again. A to the power 4b minus 3a square b square minus 6ab cubed. Okay, so ab is the common factor or the highest common factor. A into a cubed is a to the power 4 minus 3ab minus 6b square. So when we factorize, the final answer will be a product of the factors always. Whenever we factorize, because when we say factorize 30, okay, factorize 30. So 30 is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. This is the answer. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. If the question is factorize 30, what will we write? We'll write 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. We'll write 30 as a product of its prime factors. We'll not write 30 is 10 into 3. So in mathematics, when we say factorize, it is writing the given number as a product of its prime factors. So we'll say 30 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So you can see the answer. When the heading is factorized, the answer is a product of the factors. 2 is a factor, 2 is a factor of 30. 3 is a factor of 30. 5 is a factor of 30. And you can see the answer is a product of the factors of 30. The answer is a product of the factors of 30. So whenever the heading is factorized, the answer should be a product of the factors. So you can see the product here. One factor of the given expression is AB. The other factor of the given expression is a cubed minus 3ab minus 6b square. And you can see the answer is a product AB into AB into a cubed minus 3ab minus 6b square. Further, you can write AB. You can think of AB as A into B. So A also is a factor. A is a factor, B is a factor, and then a cubed minus 3ab minus 6b square is the other factor. So remember, whenever the heading is factorized, your answer should be a product of the factors of the given expression. That is, the answer should be something into something into something into something like that. So one line, that's it. This is the answer. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, factorize. Yes, children, do this.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
ma'am,
the
shall I-
answer X, Y, Z, ma'am.
yeah. Let me ask Swati. Yes, Swati, what is the HCF of, okay, how many terms are there in the given expression?
3 terms, ma'am.
3 terms. And what is the HCF of these 3 terms?
X, Y, Z, ma'am.
X, Y, Z. Very good. X, Y, Z. Can somebody tell me the LCM of these 3 terms?
Ma'am, X square, Y square, and Z square.
Very good. Highest powers, that's all. Highest powers. X square, Y square, Z square. That's the LCM. LCM take the highest powers of the variables. HCF, least power. X, Y, Z. Okay. So now in the bracket, Swati,
Ma'am, X, Z.
X, Z, X
No,
plus.
ma'am, only X, only X.
Okay.
Plus Y,
Yeah.
plus Z, ma'am.
Very good. That's all. Finished. Factorized. X into Y into Z into X plus Y plus Z. We factor, see the answer. It's a product of the factors. The given expression is X square YZ plus XY square Z plus XYZ square. And when we factorize it, you can see the factors X into Y into Z into X plus Y plus Z. That is one term. It's not X plus Y plus X plus Y plus Z is one term, one factor. X plus Y plus Z is one factor. X into Y into Z into X plus Y plus Z. Done, children?
Yeah, ma'am, done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, this is for Nandana. Yeah, it's right.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Yes, Nandana, please tell me.
Ma'am,
What is the HCF of 72 and 96?
ma'am, 2.
Yes, Nandana, what is the HCF of 72 and 96?
2.
Shall I say?
Okay, Swati?
I'm 24, ma'am.
24. Bhavishya, what did you get?
Ma'am, I have divided by 8, ma'am.
No, you should take the HCF, not any common factor. You must take the highest common factor. You should not take any common factor. Common factors are many, but the highest common factor. How do we find, children? How do we find the HCF?
First
See, you know this method, right? All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 36, 48. Then again 2, 18 and 24. 2 9s are 12. Can you take 2 again? No. For HCF, you should, both the numbers must be divisible by the prime number you're taking. So you cannot take 2 now. You have to take 3. 3, 3s are 4s are. That's all. You cannot divide this beyond. See, for HCF, you must use one number by which both the numbers are divisible. So now this is the HCF. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is a HCF.
Ma'am, 24, ma'am.
Sorry?
24.
24, ma. See, 24. So, see, we have taken 8 and 2. I told you, no, HCF.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, HCF. So the HCF of, so good, Swati has got it right. The HCF of 72 and 96 is 24.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now what is the HCF of x to the power 6 and x to the power 7?
Ma'am, x to the power 6.
Yeah. What is the HCF
y
of
to the power 6.
And z to the power 5.
You must write it because they're equal. You should not leave it. There is no highest power, meaning there is no least power here. Both are equal. So take it
Ma'am,
as
I
it is.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we can write as 24 xy to the whole power 6 z5.
No, don't do all. You don't have to write all that.
Okay.
No. You can write, it's not wrong, but don't do that. You take it like this only. Yeah, now what inside the bracket, Nandana? This question was for whom? Nandana, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, maybe because she did not take out the correct common factor, she might have not got it right. Do you want to share the answer, Swati?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, 3.
3.
X power 7.
How, darling, x power 7? Why x power 7? Oh, I'm not really explaining this. You should tell me. There's nothing difficult about this. When you multiply 24 and 3, you get 72. Then what should you get? X to the power 6. That's already outside common, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So leave it then. You should get y to the power 7. But what do you have outside y to the power 6? Then what should you write here inside?
Why, ma'am?
Why? Because y to the power 6 into y. Y to the power 6 into y is y to the power 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Y to the power 6 plus 1, which is 7. So you should write y. Then z to the power, you need to get z to the power 5. And you already have that outside common. So what will you write inside? Nothing, leave it.
Ma'am, I lost this part only, ma'am.
4?
X,
Yeah.
ma'am.
X. Then?
That's all, ma'am.
That's all, very good. All of you just think about this. If you still don't understand, please ask me. I will definitely explain. I want you to understand. Very good, very good. Yeah. Good, Swati.
Ma'am, can you give me one sum, ma'am?
Very good. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll take one other question like this. Very good. Okay. So we'll do one more. And if you still don't understand, I'll explain the third one, Nandana. Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, 28, 14, 21. Their highest common factor is 7, ma'am.
Correct.
And the common variable on them is a, ma'am. In that, the HCF is a power 2, ma'am. A square.
Correct.
7 a square. Now we should 4.
No. Then there's B square. No.
Ma'am, but b square is on. Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, 7a square b square, ma'am.
7a square B square. Huh? Okay. Now, Bhavishya, 28a square. No. 28a square. It has no B term at all. That means what it is? It is B to the power 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No. 28a square does not have a B term in it. That means it's B to the power 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 21a to the power 4 also does not have a B term. That means it's B to the power 0 because anything to the power 0 is 1. B to the power 0 is 1. So you can, when there is no B term, you can just say B to the power 0, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And 14a square B square, A square B square. Now what is HCF? Least power. Which is the least power?
7. Ma'am, B only. B 0.
B to the power 0.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Who answered B to the power 0?
Ma'am, me, Nandana.
B to the power
Ma'am,
0.
yeah, ma'am. Now I'll answer, ma'am. Open bracket 4 a square we are all having, ma'am. So we have not the need to write it, ma'am. And we should write b to the power 0, ma'am.
Sign. Plus.
Yeah, ma'am. Plus
2.
Plus 2 a square we have it, ma'am, and b square also we have it, ma'am. And
Good. We don't have B square outside, so we should write B square here.
yes, ma'am. 4 plus 2 b square minus 3 a square.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So children, you see 28a square b to the power 0 it is. 14a square b square and 21a to the power 4 b to the power 0. So the least power of b is 0, b to the power 0. That means 1. So you should have 1 it is. B to the power 0 is common. That means 1. So you cannot take it at all. B term will not come in HCF. Is it okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Now understood.
Understood, ma'am.
Very good. What about Bhavishya?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Same heading, children. Factorize. I don't know the correct question number. You please write it. Factorize. Okay. Again, it is. All right. So now these are the two terms. I'll just explain one because it's new to you. See, this is one term. This is the second term. Now, between the numbers 7 and 3, the HCF is 1. Between A and B, you cannot, because A, here there is A, here there is no A. That means this is A power 1, here it is A power 0. So A power 0 is the common factor. So you can leave it. A power 0 means 1. And here there is B, but here there is no B. So like it's B to the power 0 here. In this term, there is 7. See the numerical coefficient 7 and 3. The HCF is 1. The HCF is 1. Then for A and B here, there is A here. That means there's A power 1 here. But here it is A power 0 because there's no A there. So take A power 0. So the smallest power is A power 0. And then there is B here. There's B here. But here there's no B. That means B power 0. The least power is B power 0. So what is A power 0? 1. B power 0, 1. So that means the HCF is only 1. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is
Yes,
in the first term itself, there is 2x minus 3. Here also there's 2x minus 3. So that means 2x minus 3 is the common factor. 2x minus 3 is the common factor. I'll tell you again. Wait. So 7a into 2x minus 3. This is one term. This is the first term. Plus, plus 3b into 2x minus 3. So this is the second term. This is the second term. Now, this is the first term. This is the second term. Now, there's 7 here. There is 3 here. HCF 1. There is A here, but there's no A here. So it's A to the power 0. Least power. This is 1. This is 0. So A power 0. Here there is B. That is B power 1. But here it is B power 0. There is no B there. So that means B power 0. Because B power 0 is 1. So the least power is B power 0. Then there's one more term. There is 2x minus 3 here. There's 2x minus 3 here also. 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 is common. See, like if it is A power 5 and A power 5, the HCF is A power 5. The least power, which is the least power? A power 5 itself. So that's common. That's the HCF. So here there is 2x minus 3. Here also there's 2x minus 3. The 2x minus 3 is common. Between 7a and 3b, the HCF is 1. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. That is common. So 7a into 2x minus 3. Oh. 7a into 2x minus 3 plus 3b into 2x minus 3. So what is common between these two terms? First term, second term. 2x minus 3 is common. 2x minus 3 is common. Now in the bracket, 2x minus 3 into 7a is 7a into 2x minus 3, the first term, plus 2x minus 3 into 3b. into 3b will give you the second term 3b into 2x minus 3. See here 7a into 2x minus 3, 7a into 2x minus 3, 3b into 2x minus 3, 3b into 2x minus 3. So this is the answer, children. Only one line, 2x minus 3 into 7a plus 3b. This is the answer. You can see it's a product of the factors 2x minus 3 into 7a plus 3b. Factorize means the final answer should be a product of the factors 2x minus 3 into 7a plus 3b. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Very good. I'll clear it and write it again. So 7a into 2x minus 3 plus 3b into 2x minus 3. Correct? Yeah. So 2x minus 3 is, this is the answer. 2x minus 3 is common. This is the question. Okay, I don't know what the question is. Some number, I'll just put 5. This is a solution. 2x minus 3 is common. So in the bracket 7a plus 3b. So that means, children, now that you've understood, you can remember like this. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. It's there in both the terms. So write it out. And then the remaining 7a plus 3b, write it in the other bracket. That's all. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Write that out once. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Write that outside once. Common. Then what is remaining? 7a plus 3b. Write that in the other bracket. 7a plus 3b. Write that in the other bracket. Finished. Can we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children. So here, what you observe is, okay, let me make it like this first. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me make it like this first, children. You try this. I've changed the question. I made this plus. Try this. I'll just come back, children. I'll just have some water and come back. Yes, children? Completed this one?
Ma'am, I can't understand this one, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, is 3 plus 5 the same as 5 plus 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Is 3 minus 5 the same as 5 minus 3?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is 3 plus 5?
8, ma'am.
8.
What is 5 plus 3?
8,
8,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So both are the same because they give us
10.
the same result. What is 3 minus 5?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Minus 2.
Minus 2. What is 5 minus 3?
2, ma'am.
ma'am.
Are they the same? Are they
No,
giving us
ma'am.
the same
No,
result?
ma'am.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
they are different. Both of them are different. What do you have here? 2L plus 3M. What do you have here? 3M plus 2L. Are they the same or different?
Same, ma'am.
They are the same. It's like 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3. 2L plus 3M. 3M plus 2L. See here, there is 3M here, there is 3M here. There's 2L here, there is 2L here. Plus, plus. They're the same. Like 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3. They are the same. So when you, this is the given question. I think it's question number 6, whatever. So what you should do is in the solution, first, normally we write out whatever is given. We write out whatever is given like this. Okay, so that's the first step. Whatever is given is the first step. Then what you should do is, change this. Write 2L plus 3M as 3M plus 2L minus 12 into 3M plus 2L. Now, what is common between 16 and 12? 4. The HCF of 16 and 12 is 4. And then, see, this is the first term. This is the first term. This is the second term. Now, between 16 and 12, the HCF is 4. Then 3M plus 2L. 3M plus 2L. That also is common. That also is common. See, the HCF of 5 and 5 is 5. The HCF of 5 and 5 is 5. So the HCF of 3M plus 2L and 3M plus 2L is 3M plus 2L. So this is what is common. This is what is common. This will come out. Now in the bracket, 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
4 into 4 is 16. And then, children, let me just add one Z here. I just created this question like this. Let me just add one N here, okay? I'll just add one N here. N into N. So it is 12 into 3M plus 12 into N it is. Into N. So there is N here. And that will not be the, because there is 1 here. There is no N here. There is no N in the first term. So N will not be common. N is not common between the first and the second term. So now 4 into 4 is 16 and 3M plus 12 is outside common. Minus 4 into 3 is 12, the second term. 4 into 3 is 12. And this 3M plus 12 is common outside. So don't have to write it. Then just put this N. Is this understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll work it again for you. Take down the answer. I'll work it again for you.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Here. Please read out the question for me. 16 into what, children?
2L plus 3M, ma'am.
Okay, then
Close bracket minus 12.
3M plus 12.
Plus
into n. All right. So children, first step, write on the given expression. Okay, whatever is given. This is what is given. Write on that. Next, what you do is, you can change anything. You can write 2L plus 3M as 3M plus 2L, or you can even change this one. Anything, you change one of the two. So I am writing this as 3M plus 2L minus 12 into 3M plus 2L into N. This is the second step. Then we'll have to take out the HCF. The HCF of 16 and 12. See, this is one term. This is the first term. This is the second term. So the HCF of 16 and 12 is 4. Is 4. Then you can see here 3M plus 2L, 3M plus 2L. So 3M plus 2L is common, right? That also. There is N here, but there is no N here. So that will not be common. Leave it. Now open a bracket. 4 into 4 is 16. And you have 16 into 3M plus 12, but that's common here. So leave it. 4 into 4 is 16 into 3M plus 12. You'll get the first term. Minus 4 into outside 4. This is what is common. This is what is common. So 4 into 3 will give you 12. Then this one is outside common. So you don't have to write this. But there's this N here. So that N. Is it understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Just do one more and wind up the session for today. One minute, this is next level. Yeah. Yes, children. So this is the first term plus this is the second term. The HCF of 5 and 3 is 1. Is 1. 5 and 3, there's nothing common. The HCF is 1. Then you have x minus 2y the whole square and x minus 2y. Like if you have a square and a, x minus 2y the whole square, x minus y, x minus 2y. Like you have a square and a. What is the HCF of a square and a? The least power. That means a is the HCF. So here what will be the HCF, children? The least power is the HCF. Five and 3, it is 1. Leave it. X minus 2y the whole square and x minus 2y. What is the HCF? What's the HCF of a square and a? Least power, a, right? Yeah, so similarly, x minus 2y the whole square and x minus 2y. What's the HCF? What is the least power? This is x minus 2y the whole square. Power is 2. This is x minus 2y. That means the power is 1. So which is the HCF?
X minus 2y, mom.
Yes or no, children? X minus 2y. This is common. Now open a bracket. Open a bracket. You need to get 5 into x minus 2y the whole square. So I should write a 5 here, right?
Yes, mom.
Now x minus 2y into what will give you x minus 2y the whole square? X minus 2y is common. X minus 2y into what will give you x minus 2y the whole square? A into what is A square?
A into
A
A.
to A, ma'am.
A into A is A square. So x minus 2y into what is x minus 2y the whole square?
X minus 2y.
X minus 2y. Now multiply multiply this and this 5 x minus 2y into x minus 2y is x minus 2y the whole square. So like that we get the first term. Then the connecting sign plus, put the plus sign. This x minus 2y is common outside. So x minus 2y into 3 is 3 into x minus 2y. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, but you have one more step here is equal to x minus 2y into multiply 5 into x, 5x. 5 into minus 2y minus 10y plus 3, close bracket. Yeah, please write down, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Sure, children, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just work the same thing again. What's the question? 5 into x minus 2y the whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3x minus
Plus
2y.
3 x minus 2y, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So the first step is to write the given expression. This is what is given. We'll have to factorize this one. We'll have to factorize this. So this is the first term. And plus, this is the second term. The connecting sign is plus. So there is one term before the plus sign, one term after the plus sign. Now the numerical coefficients, 5 and 3. HCF is 1. So don't write it, leave it. Then we have x minus 2y. The first term has, the second part of the first term is x minus 2y the whole square. And the second part of the second term is x minus 2y. Here the power is 1. X minus 2y the whole square, power is 2. X minus 2y, the power is 1. The least power. So x minus 2y is common. So x minus 2y is common. Bring it out. Now, x minus 2y, this 5 you will have to write because 5 into x minus 2y is 5 into x minus 2y. But you need to get x minus 2y the whole square. So x minus 2y into x minus 2y will give you x minus 2y the whole square. And this 5 because we have a 5 here. Then the connecting sign plus. X minus 2y is common outside. So you should just write a 3. Should just write a 3. Because 3 into x minus 2y will give you the second term, 3 into x minus 2y. Now, you just have to open up the bracket in the second term. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into minus 2y is minus 10y. Plus 3. Plus 3. That's all. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Very good. Tell me how will you factorize this one? How will you factorize this?
Ma'am, x minus y will be the common factor, ma'am.
Very good. X minus y is common. Then?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, and then x minus y, ma'am. That's
X minus y into x minus y is x minus y the whole square. What about the second term? Minus?
1, ma'am.
1. Because x minus y into 1 will give you x minus y, the second term. X minus y into x minus y is the first term, x minus y the whole square. X minus y into 1 is x minus y, the second term. Now we'll have to open the bracket x minus y, the first one as it is, and inside the bracket x minus y minus 1. So you see the answer, product of two factors x minus y into x minus y minus 1. Yeah, please write down, children.
Yes.
Yeah. Done?
Done, ma'am.
All of you?
Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now let's wind up with this one. Tell me. Suppose I say x minus 3y, the whole cube. Let me write it neatly. X minus 3y, the whole cubed, minus x minus 3y, the whole square. Yeah. Tell me.
X minus 3y is the common factor, ma'am.
Common factor, ma'am.
You're not using the rule at all. The least power is common.
X minus 3y whole square, ma'am.
Yeah, because x minus 3y is the base. X minus 3y is the base. The power is 3 for the first term. Second term, x minus 3y is the base. Power is 2. Which is the least power? 3 or 2?
2, ma'am.
So that is
2,
common.
ma'am.
Yeah, so x minus 3y, the whole square is common. The least power. Now, if you have a cubed and a square is a HCF. HCF is a square. LCM is a cubed. Highest power is a HCF. LCM. Least power is a HCF. So here the base is x minus 3y. And the power 3 and 2. Least power 2. That's common. Then x minus 3y the whole square into what? We'll give you x minus 3y the whole cubed.
X minus 3y, ma'am.
X minus
X
3y,
minus
ma'am.
3y. Yeah. X minus 3y the whole square into x minus 3y. Like a square into a is a cubed. X minus 3y the whole square into x minus 3y is x minus 3y the whole cube, the first term. Minus
1, ma'am.
1, ma'am.
1. X minus 3y the whole square into what? We'll give you x minus 3y the whole square. 1. 1. So x minus 3y the whole square, open bracket, x minus 3y minus 1. This is the answer. I'll let you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Done, ma'am.
All right, children. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. I want all the three of you to take pictures of today's classwork and share it with me. Finish your dinner. Take pictures of your classwork and share it with me on WhatsApp. I just want to see how we have worked. All right, all the three of you.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, children. Thank you so much. You may lead the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, children.